Hi everybody, it's Kevin Piqua here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan RT. This is a certified pre-owned Dodge Grand Caravan. Stock number CP15488T. Again, it's a certified pre-owned. It's a one owner van. These all featured a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 3.6 liter V6. This also has remote start. Of course, that'll have remote keyless entry. This is featured in granite pearl coat. I apologize, the van's a little dirty. We just had a customer driving not too long ago, and as you can imagine, this time of winter, it's pretty hard to keep a van clean. This also has heated leather front and center seats. Also has heated steering wheel, heated mirrors. The doors are power, which is also in the remote. Stone go seating. Seat belts for 7. Rear heat and air conditioning. Again, this is the RT model, which is a little sportier van. Gives you a little bit better view of the van. It does clean up very nicely. This has right around 67,000 miles, somewhere in between those two. This has a satellite radio, also the Bluetooth for the phone. Deep tinted windows, front windows, and also these windows also go up and down. Here's your Bluetooth for the phone, cruise control, power seats. This is your rear quarter vent windows. These vent windows back here, they vent open a couple inches to give you a little ventilation in the back. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Here's all your heated seat, heated steering wheel controls. Again, this also has a Sirius radio. Very nice people mover. If you got some kids you need to move around, or you got some vacations coming up, spring break's just around the corner. This would be a nice van to take your family from point A to point B. Again, this is a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan RT that is certified pre-owned, one owner. If you have any questions on this beautiful van or any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the lot or on the internet, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck from beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thank you for the opportunity and have a beautiful day.